Hello guys, this is George and welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to send Toncoin from Telegram wallet to your Binance account. First of all, you need to open your Binance app, then go to wallet, select deposit. In the search, you need to type Toncoin, just Ton, and open Toncoin. Now you need to copy the wallet address and go back to Telegram wallet. Here you need to choose send, select external wallet, select Toncoin, and paste the wallet we just copied from Binance. Then click continue. You need to enter the amount of Ton. For example, let's send 4.05 and click continue. And now we need to enter the tag. Let's go back to Binance and copy the tag. And we need to paste the tag right here. As you can see, there is a small transaction fee, which is around 25 cents. So if everything is correct, you need to click confirm and send. And as you can see, we successfully sent our Toncoin to Binance. Now we need to wait a few minutes and I'll show you the result. As you can see guys, in just 2 minutes we received our Toncoins on our Binance account. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.